Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. This will be another type of video. I basically want to hear from you. What can we do so you get started with BinBotPro? Because I've been talking now with the support of BinBotPro, and basically I will be able to make some deals for you. So, put in the comment field, what would you want to get started? Would you want a bigger bonus? So when you make a deposit, you get more money available. Would you want a less money to get started with? For example, BinBotPro, you need $250 to get started. Would you be interested to join BinBotPro with a lower amount? That's what you want? Or are there anything else that you would want to have? Put it in the comment field, and actually put in the comment field, but also send me an email. I will leave my email below the video, and whatever it is, I will do my best to help you to get started. So if, for example, you do not want to get started with $250, let's see what we can do for you if you can get a lower number, for example. Or if it's a bonus, I can see what I can do for you there also to get you a higher bonus so you can get started. So let me hear what you want and I can see what I can do for you.